Buongiorno a tutti. It's the weekend and I feel the need to share with you my progress in learning Italian this week. I continued with Busu and I'm at lesson 30 in B1 level. Altogether, the B1 level has 47 lessons, so I think I should be able to finish it by the end of this month, which will be the end of my 90 days learning Italian challenge. I'm really curious to see how much I will be able to have learned by the end of this month. I also started a new level at Michel Thomas course, and I hope to be able to finish it also in the next 3 weeks. So I have my plan made for this month, and it's very exciting. Today, I want to show you a technique for practicing fluency that's called shadowing. And I'm going to use it with a movie that I watched a while ago on Netflix that's called 18 Presents. I watched this movie before in Italian with English subtitles, so I know the whole meaning, the whole story, the plot. And I watched this part that I'm about to watch again. I watched it in Italian with English subtitles again, just for a short time. So now I'm going to watch it in Italian with Italian subtitles. And from time to time, I'm going to pause and repeat the phrases that the actors will be saying. I'm starting at the minute 25, so let me tell you the story so far. The story is about a young family when the wife finds out that the wife is pregnant, and she finds out that she has cancer. So, and she has only a few months to live. In the remaining month of her life, she buys 18 presents for her daughter, for her unborn daughter, to be given to her on each of her birthdays. So when the daughter turns 18, she has a conflict with her father and she runs away from home and gets hit by a car. So let's see what's going to happen next. Stai bene, stai bene. Mi senti, stai bene? Don't know what mi senti means. Yeah, but are you okay? Stai bene? Stai bene? Okay.
Mi senti, stai bene? Ma da dove sei sbucato in un autista rivale? Ho provato a fregare.
That was too fast. Didn't get it.
Ce la fai ad alzarti?
Ce la fai ad alzarti? I don't understand that one.
Stai bene, sì.
Stai bene, sì?
Sì, sto bene.
Sì, sto bene. The question is, stai bene? I said, sì, sto bene.
Ma come si fa ad attraversare così? Ti potevo ammazzare. Io ti ho fatto un segno. Ma quale segno? Ma non lo vedi che siamo al buio sulla provinciale? Ci mancava anche questo, cazzo. Ti porto in ospedale, andiamo.
Ti porto in ospedale, andiamo. Ti porto in ospedale. Ti porto? Like I will take you to the hospital, ospedale. Andiamo. Ti porto in ospedale. Ti porto in ospedale. Andiamo.
No, sto bene. Ma non posso lasciare.
No, sto bene.
Ospedale no. Dove mi porti? Andiamo a casa mia intanto.
Andiamo a casa mia. Intanto. Andiamo in casa mia. Andiamo in casa mia.
Sta qui vicino.
Sta qui vicino. My house is like I'm staying, my house is close by. Qui vicino.
Tu vivi qui? Sì.
Ma tu vivi qui. Ma tu vivi qui. Like, do you live here? Ma tu vivi qui. Qui. Vieni, vieni, come, vieni.
Muoviti! Ma che hai? Mi gira un po' la testa. Avanti, su. Entra.
Entra, like enter. So this girl Anna actually realized that the woman brought her to her house. Not her, like Anna's house. The girl's house. So
Ti prendo dell'acqua. Tieni.
tieni. I don't know what it means.
Asciugati un po' i capelli.
Asciugati un po' capelli. I guess dry your hair. Asciugati un po' i capelli. Un po' i capelli.
Dammi qui.
Dammi qui, like give it to me, give it here. Dammi qui, dammi qui.
Aia. Ti fa male.
Ti fa male, ti fa male. Like, does it hurt? I learned it in Buso. Ti fa male.
Dammi un minuto.
Dammi un minuto. That's a good one to learn. Dammi un minuto. Like, give me a minute. Dammi un minuto. So she actually realizes that the year is 2001. She wasn't even born yet. So she realized that that's her house.
Ma sei incinta? Sì.
Ma sei incinta? Like, are you pregnant? She said, yes.
E come ti chiami?
Come ti chiami? Yeah, of course, we know that.
Elisa. Siediti.
Siediti, siediti, like sit down, siediti.
Fammi vedere.
Fammi vedere.
Ma che ci hai messo? Acetone, scusa.
Scusa?
Brucia?
Brucia.
Secondo te?
Interesting, like secondo te is like, what do you think? Secondo te? Well, I see that this video is getting to be very long. I don't want it to be very long. So Anyways, you got the idea. You just pause after the phrase that you want to repeat, and then you just repeat it. And this way, you watch movies or series and you learn or review the language, your target language. This technique you can use with any language that you are learning, Italian or English, and you can improve your pronunciation, your listening skills, and your fluency. Have a great week. See you next weekend. Ciao!